Hello everyone and welcome back to Sincerely Grace. So I am so excited for this video. So I took a little break off of YouTube for about maybe 4 months or so, or at least from recording videos, but I definitely did not take a break from shopping. So I'm very excited to catch you all up to speed. And today I have an unboxing video I am so excited to share with you guys, and I'm also so excited to actually wear this item. So without further ado, let's get started. Also, if you're new here, welcome, and if you like videos about fashion, unboxings, luxury items, definitely consider subscribing. You will not be disappointed. So now let's get into the video. Okay, so this is the box for the item that I ordered. So if you've been watching me for a while, you know that I love a story time. So I ordered this item probably about a month ago, and I haven't worn it because I'm like, oh, I need to go back and record videos. I need to do unboxing with you guys because I really do enjoy sharing this with you guys and having a community to where I can freely speak about fashion and luxury items, because if you're watching this, I'm pretty sure you have the same love for luxury fashion, purses, shoes, that kind of thing. Anyway, I'm rambling on and on because I'm just so excited. So I ordered this item about a month ago. Sorry, excuse my cough. I am just getting over COVID, so for the second time, not fun. But I ordered this item, and it is an item that I purchased on a pre-loved market, and this is my first experience with this company, and I am not disappointed. So just to give you a little bit of history, I definitely want to get more into buying classic items for my closet. So a little bit of story time. I want to get my handbag collection to where I focus more on classic, timeless pieces with the occasional trendy item. So with that said, I really thought about where I'm spending my money as far as purses, and I'm trying to kind of shift more into brands, like not necessarily brand, but items that will stand the test of time. So I have recently been looking into Chanel, and I have quite a bit of pieces to show you guys that I purchased from Chanel during my break from YouTube. And the first one being is this item. Like I said, I ordered it from a pre-loved market. However, excuse me, this item is a brand new with the tag still attached. So without further ado, let me show you what I actually bought. So the company that I bought from is a Fashion File, and this is their box. So as soon as it came in, I did want to open up the box and kind of just take a look at the box. I kind of wanted to open up the box and just look at the purse, make sure it was good, and the item was as described. So as you can tell, it's the box here. And it does say Fashion File on here. And this is and it came with these little cute little like tissue confetti kind of things. So I thought that touch was very nice. So it comes with my receipt here. And then it comes with a thank you. And then it says shop, sell, repeat. But I will not be selling this item anytime soon. So let me go ahead and show you the bag that I picked up, and then we can get into the details. So I do have to say that Fashion File did take good care as far as packaging it, which I was very, very impressed. So it comes with this tissue here, and it did come with like a little sticker for security here at the edge. And then they put this item here. Let me go ahead and take it out. So one of the items that I looked for is an item that I've gone to the Chanel store many times and have asked for this item. However, it's a popular item and it's not one that is really, really pricey, so I can see why they're always sold out or not in stock. So then Fashionphile wraps the item in this dust bag. Now, whenever I looked on Fashionphile for this item, I wanted to ensure that the item came with all the pieces that a Chanel bag should. So that's of course including the box, the dust bag, the authenticity card, and all of that good stuff. So this handbag that I bought is actually brand new with the tags still intact, and it came with the whole packaging. So Fashionphile did go ahead and do a good job as far as trying to preserve the box. So let me take this out. So this is the classic Chanel box that all the bags come in, and let's go ahead and unbox it. So the item that I picked up from Fashionphile is an item that I actually paid more on the pre-loved market than I would have paid if I was able to get my hands on this particular purse brand new. But I'll go ahead and go into the details once I open it and show you what it is. And I think you guys would understand. So this is what it comes with. So it does come with the classic Chanel tissue, and the bag that I picked up from Fashionphile is, it's so beautiful, guys. Isn't it so gorgeous? So this is the Coco Chanel Mini in the, I think it's light pink, and it's from the 21P collection. So I've been wanting the Coco Chanel handle from Chanel for the longest time, but I wanted to make sure that I got it in the smallest size and in a color that was neutral but still was not like brown or black, but that can go with many items. And I think this color is perfect. So it is a light pink, but I still classify this as a neutral color because it's more on the light pink beigey color, and it is with the gold hardware. And let me show you. So it does come with everything that a Chanel bag comes with. So it does come with the camille flower and obviously the ribbon, and then the dust bag is also included. So here's the dust bag, and then let me move this out of the way. So, and then it comes with the tags all still intact. So as you can see here, this is from the 21P collection, and the color that they have here is a light pink, but like I said, doesn't it look like a beigey pink? So I think this will go with so many different outfits and perfect for summer. I wanted a bag that can transition, that can look classy, but yet can double as a casual bag. And I think Chanel does a fantastic job with this Coco Chanel. And it is actually pretty roomy. Now let me open this up for you. So this does come with the authenticity card, which is here. Let me see if I can mark the numbers. So it does come with the authenticity card. So like I said, it came with the whole package, which was really, really important for me. And it is brand new. There's still plastic attached to the hardware here, and then also inside it does come with the protective plastic here, and then also here. So this bag doesn't fit a lot, but that's okay. It will fit all of my essentials, which is what I wanted in a bag. And I definitely want to expand my collection from Chanel. And I definitely wanted to include a Coco Chanel. And I am just so excited to have this in my collection. Let me go over the price. Now, I believe this bag retails for $4,500, somewhere around there. The mini does, from Chanel, if you were to buy it straight from the boutique. I could be wrong. I'll double check and put the actual number here. But I did pay over retail just because these babies are pretty hard to get a hold of. So the price that I paid on Fashion File was $5,995, which I was okay with. It wasn't too much over, and plus we're talking about a Chanel bag, which, as you all know, only increases in value. I am very impressed with Fashion File. The purses, the options that they do have, how descriptive they are in regards to the item. The description on there, the pictures were just as described. I mean, this purse is in mint condition, and what I love about this purse is that it is versatile. Like I said, I wanted a purse that's casual but yet can double on as elegant. You can just wear this as a top handle, and these are removable. So as you see here, there are little latches here on the side, but I don't think I'm going to be removing it. So I do see myself carrying it more top handle, but if I do need to be chasing my little kids around, I can go ahead and use the strap. But yeah, guys, I am just so excited to style this and wear it. Actually, I am going to a baby shower this weekend, and I bought my whole outfit planned around this purse. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, definitely follow me. Same name, Sincerelygracexo on Instagram. I will be posting a picture of my outfit that I wear to the baby shower, and you'll definitely be seeing me wear this bag a lot more. I'm just very excited. So yeah, guys, this is my newest addition to my collection, and I hope to continue to expand my Chanel collection. So that is all for today. I really hope that you enjoyed this quick unboxing, and I hope that you're just as excited as I am to see new items that I want to share with you guys. And if you're new here, definitely consider subscribing. Let's share our love for luxury items. Let's connect on Instagram, on YouTube. Yeah, guys, I will see you guys later. Bye.